In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read Zift gift card reviews step by step as we venture into 2025. Navigating the world of gift card reviews can seem daunting at first, given the array of platforms and the myriad of opinions. However, by following these clear and simple guidelines, you'll be well equipped to make informed decisions before purchasing a Zift gift card. First, head over to some trusted review websites. Trustpilot is a great place to start with its extensive database of ratings and reviews. Alternatively, checking out communities like Reddit can be incredibly insightful. On Reddit, you can conduct a search using keywords such as Zift Gift Card or even zillionsgift.com to see what other users are saying. Engaging with platforms like these ensures you're getting diverse viewpoints from real users. Once you've found these reviews, pay attention to the star ratings. Typically, products are rated from 1 to 5 stars. A low rating usually signals that a significant number of people have encountered issues. If the average star rating falls below 3, it's generally a red flag that you might want to think twice before proceeding with a purchase. Next, focus specifically on recent reviews, especially those from 2024 to 2025. These will give you the most current feedback on user experiences with Zift gift cards. Look out for repeated complaints that could indicate consistent issues, such as difficulty in using the card, problems with redeeming it, or lack of response from customer service. These recurring themes are crucial to watch for, as they can help you assess the reliability of the product. While it's essential to note negative reviews, also try to look for positive feedback. Even if there are problems reported, some users might have had successful experiences with Zift gift cards. Positive reviews can provide valuable insights into what might make the card work, revealing scenarios or conditions under which users were satisfied. Lastly, don't forget to examine the fine print. It's important to understand which retail stores accept the gift card and to familiarize yourself with all redemption rules. Being informed about how and where you can use the card is a must to avoid any unexpected surprises after purchase. Make sure you fully understand all the terms and conditions that come with the gift card. Reading through all the stipulations before you buy can prevent misunderstandings and help ensure a smooth transaction. By following these steps, you'll be better positioned to interpret Zift gift card reviews effectively. Reviewing this information thoroughly will empower you to make smart and informed purchase decisions, avoiding common pitfalls many might overlook.